refreshing juices will keep you energetic and give your skin a natural glow. Pineapple apple juice, a hydrating and refreshing juice that boosts energy and brightens your skin. Ingredients: half cup pineapple rich in vitamin C for brightened skin. 1 apple fights dullness and keeps your skin fresh. Half cucumber hydrates and smooth skin. 1 cup water flushes out toxins for skin clear. Steps: grind all the ingredients in a blender, strain if needed, pour into a glass and enjoy. Spinach cucumber juice, a detoxifying juice that improves digestion and brings a natural glow. Ingredients: half cup spinach packed with iron and vitamins for healthy skin, half cucumber hydrates and smooth skin, half inch ginger improved blood circulation for a natural glow, half lemon juice brightens skin and boosts collagen. Steps: blends everything, strain if needed, and serve. Both juices are easy to make and packed with nutrition. Try them and you'll see the difference. Thanks for watching.